Southco is a leading global designer and manufacturer of engineered access solutions. From quality and performance to aesthetics and ergonomics, we understand that first impressions are lasting impressions. Southco's Concordville, Pennsylvania facility is home to our global company headquarters with 130,000 square feet of dedicated manufacturing and warehouse space. Concordville is one of 12 Southco-owned global manufacturing facilities where we help the world's leading brands create value for their customers with innovative access solutions that are designed to enhance the touch points of their products. Our Concordville facility is a center of manufacturing excellence for injection molding and high-speed assembly, serving OEM customers and industries including automotive, off-highway, and healthcare. Concordville operates 3 shifts per day, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. On average, we produce over 175 million components annually for our customers. A key element of our brand promise is quality. We are committed to upholding that in all that we do by integrating the latest technologies into our injection molding processes to deliver a premium quality product every time. We have 59 plastic injection molding machines ranging from 33 to 350 tons that allow our Concordville team to mold almost any size part. We offer over 250 grades of plastic resins along with color matching capabilities to meet the unique requirements of our customers' applications. Our world-class efficiencies and machine utilization create a positive impact on productivity performance, ensuring that we deliver the best quality products to our customers when they need them. At Southco, we use industry-recognized engineering programs to design and manufacture tooling, fixtures, and prototypes, allowing us to get our products to market fast. Molding process simulation tools like MoldX 3D simulate the injection molding process and optimize tool design. This helps us to identify potential issues before tooling begins. We also use CAD simulation tools to perform kinematic and finite element analysis to ensure that we are meeting strength criteria. As a result, we are able to automate and formalize the design review process, which helps to identify product designs that are difficult or expensive to manufacture. Our state-of-the-art 36-bin central material drying system allows us to process over 2 million pounds of raw material every year. This translates to manufacturing consistency and product reliability, which in turn saves our customers time and money. Concordville demonstrates Southco's commitment to sustainability by recycling our plastic waste. With over 20,000 pounds of regrind consumed annually, we are able to pass this savings along to our customers. During the production process, each of our global manufacturing facility uses the same cloud-based MatTech system, which collects data directly from our molding machines and operators on the shop floor in real time. We then use this information to pinpoint critical issues, reduce waste, and improve quality in our facilities around the world. This allows us to manage machines locally at Concordville while simultaneously operating as a single global manufacturing unit. Southco is dedicated to maintaining a culture that embraces lean manufacturing and continuous improvement while ensuring product and process control. Our in-house robotics and automation technologies that we have implemented at Concordville have reduced or eliminated the need for secondary manual labor. Like our other global facilities, we have a tool room on site along with 3D and composite printers that we use to create custom solutions to solve production challenges as they happen. We have a combination of 73 fully and semi-automated work centers where over 18 million different assemblies are produced annually. A skilled team of engineers at Concordville manages our high-speed assembly processes and technologies to meet the production needs of our customers. They employ a wide range of troubleshooting procedures to ensure product safety, quality, and productivity, including poka-yoke, vision systems, color detection, force detection sensors and white rabbit checks. At Concordville, our core capability is to produce plastic-based assemblies that are premium quality, cost-effective, and close to our customers. Our continuous investments in the latest manufacturing technologies and commitment to quality processes ensure that Southco customers avoid production delays and are able to get premium products fast. Visit southco.com to learn more.